Hi, welcome to my cute tunes with chalk. Today we're going to draw a gorilla and we're going to use number 8 to draw the basic shape. So like always, we're going to need a pencil and we're going to need our trusty marker as well. So the pencil will be for the guidelines. So let's begin. So the first thing we're going to do, of course, we're going to draw a number 8. So the way I draw 8, I will draw one line like this, and then I'll draw a bigger line like this. And then on the other side, I'm going to do the same thing. And I'm going to just complete it like that. Just a rough one. Remember, you don't have to be precise. We're going to correct all the lines later. So the first thing I'm going to do here is I'm going to make a little mark like this, and then another mark on this side like this. Good. And then right here on top, I'm going to make a line for a nose and another line for another nose. Yeah, that's great. And then let's just make a top mark and one there at the top as well. And then from here, we can actually just draw two lines like this. This is all guidelines. And let's make a little grin on our gorilla's face like this. Yeah, and maybe a line below as well. Great. Now from here, we're going to draw the eyes. So, like we do in my cute tunes, we're going to draw big round eyes like this. And I want you to draw an eyelid like that and another eyelid here. And then some light reflection on both sides. We're going to color them in a bit later. Now, right on top of this, the eyes, you're going to draw a line and you're going to draw another line and it's going to connect. And then from here, you're going to draw a bigger line out like so and a big line out like so as well. You with me? Good. And then we're going to connect them. You'll see what it's for later. Okay, good. There we go. And then the next thing we're going to do, we're going to draw ears. So you're going to draw like sort of a rough triangle-ish type of square, I don't know what you call it, and then you're going to draw a line in. That's one ear. And on this side we're going to do exactly the same. You're going to draw up and you're going to go back like this, and you're going to draw a line like that. Perfect. And now for hair, you're going to draw something like so, and you're going to connect it to this line, and on this side as well you're going to draw something like that. That's absolutely perfect. And then this 8, we're going to bring it a bit down and we're going to draw a little chin and we're going to connect that line as well. So there's a basic shape of our gorilla's head. And then from here, I want you to draw sort of a line up. It looks almost like a hat. And on this side, you're going to do exactly the same thing. You're going to go up like this, back, like this, back, like this, back. And that would be hair. Yeah, good. And then the next thing that we're going to do, we're going to draw shoulders. Okay, you with me? Okay, so the first thing, or let's leave the shoulders first. I think here, just draw a line like this. That's going to be the chest of our gorilla. So you're going to draw a line up like that. And right here, you're going to draw a little line like that. Okay, good. And let's complete the 8, something like this. Good. So it's nice and round. Okay. The next thing I want you to do is we're going to draw the legs. So from here, you're going to draw a line like so, go back, like so, go back, like so. Good. And then you're just going to draw a curvy line like that, and you're going to return it. And we're going to do the same thing on this side. So we're going to draw a line like this, return, this, return. So this is going to actually be the legs of our gorilla. Okay. And this is all guidelines. We'll go over it with a pen. Okay, so the next thing we're going to do, we're going to draw the shoulders. So above the ears, you're going to draw a line like this. And on this side, you're going to do the same thing. You're going to draw another line like that. Good. And we're going to draw the arms now. Now, with the arms, you're going to draw a few marks like this, good, like this, good, and like this, and you stop right there, and you're gonna make a line around like so, and then from here you're gonna draw a nice long line up like this and another line like so. So that would be an arm. So you see our gorilla is taking shape already. Okay, and then this shoulder is a bit too wide, too broad. I think we'll just make it a bit shorter, this line, and then we're gonna go again, and we're gonna draw a line back, a line back, and then yet another line, and you're going to draw a line up, and we're going to draw a line up like this, and another one. So there's the arms. Yeah, perfect. That's absolutely perfect. Now we're going to draw the hands. So you're going to draw a hand, maybe like a box shape like this, good, like something like this, and then on this side we're going to draw another hand. So you're going to draw something like this, just some basic shapes, good, perfect. And then for the toes, so you're going to draw a big toe, another one, another one, another one, and on this side you're going to draw a smaller toe, and like this. So there's our little gorilla. Perfect. The next thing we're going to do, we're going to take our marker, and now we're going to go over the lines. Okay, so you with me? Let's begin. So the first thing I want to do, I'm going to actually work with the head first. So I think first let's do these big eyebrows. Alright, and we're going to do the same thing here as well. The big eyebrow, and it goes over the eye like this. And then we're going to draw the eyelid and the other eyelid. And then we're going to draw the eye. There we go, there's one eye. And then there's the other eye. You see I make it a bit bigger so they look the same. We're going to do the light reflection and the other light reflection. Good. And then the nose. You're with me? Then the other nose. And then the inside line of the nose. Perfect. There we go. There's our gorilla's nose. Perfect. And then from here, you're going to draw it up like so. And from there, you're going to bring it around. So we're going to make the face part of our gorilla. Perfect. And now for the mouth. So we're going to go all the way. And there's the mouth. Perfect. Now, let's color in the eye. Make sure that you don't go over the lines. Stay within them. Be careful. There we go. There's one eye. Perfect. And now for the other one. Let's do the other eye as well. Perfect. There we go. There we go. There's the other eye. Perfect. And now from here, so I'm going to make the head a bit broader because you see we have hair here. So first of all, I'm going to draw the hair like this, and then from here, I'm going to go straight up to the head of the gorilla and bring it back, and then from here, I'm going to go straight down to the hair, and I'll draw the hair as well, and then there's the hair of our gorilla. Perfect. Next thing we're going to do, the ears. So let's draw the ears. There's one ear. Let's do the other one together. There's the other one. And we're just going to do it like this. Perfect. Next up, let's do the shoulders and the arms. So the shoulders. And if you make mistakes on your shoulders, you can go over. You can rectify it now with your marker. And then I leave this open and I will go back and I will go up. And now here I'm going to draw sort of a, because this will be the hair of our gorilla's hand, and I will just draw the hands. There we go. Perfect. There's one hand, and maybe we can make a thumb like this. And then on this side we're going to do the same thing. So you're going to draw the arm, yeah, and go back. Piece of hair and go back, and another one, and you're going to follow all the way there, and you're going to stop there, and you're going to draw another line like this, and you're going to bring it up, Perfect. And also sort of curves like this. And then you can draw the other hand as well. Perfect. And now for the leg. So you're going to draw the lines like this. Perfect. And a curvy line. Good. This side. The other leg. Perfect. And then for the toes. There's one toe, second, third, fourth toe. And there's 1, 2, 3. And the fourth one is behind the hand, of course. And now here, you're going to draw a line down. And we're going to draw the belly. You can make it a bit round. And you can make it a bit rounder there as well. And then here, you're going to connect these lines. Because that will be the chest of our little gorilla. Yeah, our big gorilla actually. And then for the bottom of the belly. Like this. And you're going to go all the way around. And then the little navel button as well. And look, there's our gorilla. I think he looks absolutely beautiful. So now it's your turn. What you can do when your ink dries, you can erase the pencil lines, and then you can color this gorilla in the colors that you like. And I'm sure it's going to look absolutely beautiful. It was a pleasure drawing with you. Please don't forget to click the like button and subscribe to my channel. I will see you soon.